Today, we've got an exciting and comprehensive deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's been stirring the skies with its anticipated features, impressive upgrades, and now, a leaked release date that's arriving sooner than anyone expected. If you're passionate about drones, new tech, or you're simply looking for the best drone for beginners and pros alike, this video is for you. We've gathered all the latest leaks, exclusive images, and insider updates to give you the clearest look yet at the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From the improved propeller systems to the new camera specs, and from powerful flight times to the biggest surprise, an earlier release date, we've got it all covered. Let's get into every detail that makes this drone potentially the next game changer in the compact drone category. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Latest leaks and what they reveal. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been making headlines recently, thanks to multiple leaks that give us a closer look at its design and feature set. One of the most discussed leaks came from Igor Bogdanov on June 18, where he shared a clear image of the Mini 5 Pro, captured from a fresh angle that no one had seen before, after enhancing the image to reduce interference and sharpen the details. Several features immediately stood out. The most surprising were the rigid, single-piece propellers and the propeller guards that many speculated could be permanently attached to the final version. If true, this would have been a significant departure from DJI's signature folding drone design, which is beloved for its compact and portable structure. The very essence of the Mini series lies in its lightweight, foldable design, which is ideal for travelers and creators who need portable drones. This potential shift raised eyebrows across the drone community, sparking conversations about whether DJI was altering its design philosophy for the Mini series. Propeller controversy resolved. Luckily, more recent footage quickly put these worries to rest. Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. On June 20th, a drone enthusiast named Maro Tandoy shared an accidental but crucial leak. Captured by a cyclist wearing a helmet camera, the footage showed what appeared to be DJI's internal team testing the Mini 5 Pro in a real-world environment. Although the video wasn't the highest quality, it revealed one critical detail: the Mini 5 Pro will retain foldable propellers and the propeller guards are not fixed but optional accessories. This reaffirms DJI's dedication to the ultra-portable drone market, keeping the drone's weight and ease of transport as central selling points. This matches early rumors from respected leaker Jasper Ellens, who indicated back in December that the Mini 5 Pro would feature quick-release propellers. Unlike the previous two-pin alignment systems seen on the Mini 4 Pro, where screws were required to secure the propellers, the Mini 5 Pro will have a modern, tool-free propeller mounting system. With a central pin design, propellers can now be quickly attached or removed with a simple press and twist mechanism, improving ease of use, especially for drone beginners. Optional propeller guards and design integrity. Further analysis of previously leaked videos confirmed that propeller guards are entirely removable, just like on the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. This means the Mini 5 Pro stays true to the Mini series' original philosophy: maximum portability and a lightweight drone that's travel-friendly. To offer a clearer comparison, we juxtaposed an image of the Mini 4 Pro with the leaked Mini 5 Pro prototype. One noticeable difference is the color. While previous Mini drones sported a lighter shade, the Mini 5 Pro showcases a sleek dark gray finish, reminiscent of DJI's premium Mavic series. It's a refreshing visual upgrade, potentially signaling DJI's intention to bridge the aesthetics of its compact and flagship drones. Another design shift is the apparent removal of the side flaps that once protected the gimbal. These have been replaced with a minimal trim, likely a temporary feature in the prototype phase. Still, the rear layout, power button, status LEDs, and ventilation outlets remains unchanged from the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro, keeping the familiar user interface intact. Advanced obstacle detection and sensor layout. One of the biggest highlights in the leaked images is the expanded sensor system. DJI appears to have re-engineered the Mini 5 Pro's obstacle detection with new fisheye lenses that dramatically increase the field of view. These wide-angle sensors are strategically placed to reduce blind spots and provide near 360-degree coverage. Additionally, the drone is rumored to include a front-facing LAR sensor with an estimated detection range of around 25 meters. Similar to the obstacle sensors found on DJI's Air 3S and Mavic 4. While it won't completely match the superior obstacle avoidance efficiency of the Mavic 4, whose detection capabilities improved by 625% and reduced blind spots by 66%, the Mini 5 Pro still promises a substantial safety upgrade compared to its predecessors. This enhanced object avoidance system makes the Mini 5 Pro a solid choice for those seeking a safe, beginner-friendly drone with smart features, intelligent AI and flight performance. DJI is also integrating its latest AI-powered flight assistance system in the Mini 5 Pro, further refining automatic tracking, obstacle avoidance, and subject recognition. These intelligent features aim to make flight paths smoother and safer, even for new drone pilots or those looking to upgrade to a more capable camera drone. From the leaks, another small but noticeable upgrade is the redesign of the drone's arms. The Mini 5 Pro arms appear more rounded and aerodynamic, reducing air resistance and potentially improving stability and battery efficiency. Camera upgrades. A game changer. The camera is where the DJI Mini 5 Pro truly shines. Placing it side by side with the Mini 4 Pro clearly shows that the Mini 5 Pro's camera module is significantly larger. Why does this matter? A larger camera likely means a substantial sensor upgrade. Leaks suggest that DJI might be equipping the Mini 5 Pro with a 1-inch sensor capable of recording in 4K at 120 frames per second. This would make it the first drone in the Mini series to capture cinematic slow-motion footage, elevating its appeal to professional videographers and serious content creators. Low-light performance is also expected to improve dramatically, allowing for night drone photography and videography with much less image noise. In addition to the camera upgrade, the drone is expected to feature new black motors, distinct from the Mini 4 Pro's design. These motors are likely optimized for better cooling and more efficient energy consumption, a necessary step to support the drone's new high-performance hardware. For battery options and flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to offer dual battery options, much like the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. DJI seems committed to providing flexibility by offering a standard battery to keep the drone's weight under 250 grams and a plus battery for those prioritizing extended flight times over ultralight portability. Here's what we're expecting. Standard battery, approximately 35 minutes of flight time, keeping the drone sub 250G for users who want to avoid registration in many countries. Plus battery, potentially pushing flight time close to 60 minutes, a remarkable achievement in the compact drone space. Though it would move the drone out of the sub 250G category, this dual battery strategy offers versatile flying options. Whether you're a casual hobbyist, a travel vlogger, or an aerial photography enthusiast looking to maximize airtime. DJI Mini 5 Pro release date, sooner than expected. Now, here's the breaking news, according to a recent leak from Jasper Ellens. On June 21st, the DJI Mini 5 Pro's release has been officially moved up by nearly a month. Originally slated for a late summer release, DJI now plans to unveil the Mini 5 Pro on August 7th of this year. Sources inside DJI have reportedly confirmed this date with solid evidence, which means we're only weeks away from the official launch. Based on DJI's previous marketing patterns, we can expect a teaser promo video to drop around July 31st, which will likely offer a few glimpses of the drone's form and features without revealing everything, just enough to build hype and send pre-order excitement through the roof. Final thoughts. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates, in-depth comparisons, and hands-on reviews as we get closer to the official release. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video here on Techno Trend Zone.